Now we will see question number 6 of exercise 5.2, which is the last question of this chapter. Now let us see the question. The question is, in the given figures below, decide whether L is parallel to M. Now we are given these 4 figures. Okay, so ये 4 figures हमको दिए हैं. These 4 figures are given to us. We have to see this figure and we have to decide that this line L and M, they are parallel or not. So we have to decide with the help of properties. We have to check whether the properties are satisfied or not. Okay, so we have seen the properties of transversal, that if these two lines are parallel, agar parallel hai to, then what happens? Corresponding angles are equal. Okay, alternate angles are equal. Interior angles lying on the same side, their total is 180 degree. So these are the properties. So we are going to check with the help of these properties. If corresponding angle that we will find, if they are same, then we can say that L and M, they both are parallel line. Otherwise they are not parallel. So हमको check करना है कि ये जो line दी है L and M, वो दोनों parallel है या नहीं. यहाँ पे भी L and M, these both lines are parallel or not. Here also these both lines L M are parallel or not. Here also these both line L and M in this fourth one, they are parallel or not. Okay, now parallel means they should be at equal distance. So some students, they may think that from the figure itself we can see that they seem to be parallel, and this one, they already seem that they are not parallel. दिख रहा है कि they are not parallel. But हमको reasons के साथ उसको explain करना है, not just by looking at them. We have to explain this with the help of reasons. We have to give reasons and properties. So let us see the solution part of question number 6. One by one we will see the solution of this sums. Now this is the first figure. Okay, so the figure which is given in the question, this is the first figure. So this line L and this line M, they both are parallel, and this line P, this is the transversal. Now we have to decide that they are actually parallel or not. So agar parallel hai, then what will happen? Properties must be satisfied. So we have to think that which property we can use to justify our answer, what reason we can give. So first of all, we need to see that which angles are given to us. So ये 126 degree दिया है and this 44 degree is given. These both angles are given to us. Now these both angles, if we see carefully, they are lying on the same side of transversal. Transversal के same side पे है, right? Now there is one property that the angles which are lying on the same side of transversal, okay, these angles, they are supplementary. सप्लीमेंट्री मीन्स उसका जो टोटल है वो 180 आना चाहिए. सो अगर ये लाइन पैरेलल है तो इसका टोटल 180 आएगा. अगर टोटल 180 नहीं आया मीन्स दिस बोथ लाइंस आर नॉट पैरेलल, दोनों पैरेलल नहीं है. सो हमको क्या करना है? प्रॉपर्टी यूज करना है. सो ये दोनों एंगल जो दिया है, दे आर इंटीरियर एंगल, इंटीरियर भी है और दो लाइन के बीच में है मीन्स इंटीरियर है, एंड दे आर लाइंग ऑन द सेम साइड. ये जो ट्रांसवर्सल है उसके सेम साइड पे है दोनों, ये भी राइट साइड पे और ये भी राइट साइड पे. ओके, सो सच एंगल्स आर कॉल्ड इंटीरियर एंगल्स. नाउ दीज एंगल्स, ओके, दे आर सप्लीमेंट्री. ऐसा जो एंगल होता है जो ट्रांसवर्सल के सेम साइड पे होता है, सो द एंगल विच लाई ऑन द सेम साइड of transversal and they are interior also, such angles are supplementary, means उसका total always 180 होता है. So let us check. So 126 plus 44 degree, we will add 126 plus 44 degree. Now after adding, the answer comes out 170 degree. If you add, your answer is 170 degree. Now we got 170, which is not equal to 180. Actually property, to satisfy the property, the total should come 180. 180 आना चाहिए, but 180 नहीं आया, 170 आया, and 170 is not equal to 180, means that these both line, they are not parallel. So our final statement will be L is not parallel to M. This line L is not parallel to M because sum of interior angles should be 180. It should be 180 and we are not getting 180. What we are getting? 170. So the property is not satisfied. That is why these both angle, okay, if you see the figure, देख के लग रहा है कि दोनों parallel है, but actually दोनों parallel नहीं है, थोड़ा but difference कहीं ना कहीं होगा. So this line L and M, they are not parallel. So this is first one. Now second figure is this. Now this figure is our second part. So this is our line L and this is our line M. And this line is N. Third line N, this is transversal. And this angle is given 75 degree and this angle is given 75 degree. So again now, here this angle is given 75 degree and this angle is given 75 degree. These both are given 75 degree. Again we have to justify that whether these both line are parallel or not. We have to decide ये दोनों parallel है कि नहीं है, decide करना है. How we will decide? Again we will use property. So now here you can use corresponding property also. Corresponding angles का property भी use कर सकते हो और linear pair का भी use कर सकते हो. Now there are two ways. I'll show you. Now how to decide whether these both lines are parallel or not? Let us see. Now suppose we know that this angle and this angle, they form a line. Okay, they form a line. So we know that the total is 180 degree. These both, they are forming linear pair. They are forming linear pair, and linear pair the total is always 180. So 180, out of 180, this angle we know this is 75. So this angle which is not given, ये कितना होगा? 180 minus 75. So 180 में से 75 करेंगे तो जो भी बचेगा, that is the measurement of this angle. So you will get this angle. Now if you see this angle and this angle, they are lying on the same side. Their position is same. So ये जो angle है और ये जो angle है, दोनों same side पे है. ये भी ये line के जो left side पे है और ये भी line के left side पे है. So ये दोनों angle जो है, अगर ये line parallel है, if the lines are parallel, then these both angles, they will be corresponding angle. Now corresponding angles are always equal. So this is 75 degree means this is also 75 degree. अगर ये 75 है means ये भी 75 होना चाहिए. This also should be 75 degree. Now if we take this as 75 degree, so if you add 75 plus 75, again as I told you, these both are making linear pair also. So यहाँ पे 75 लिखेंगे. If we write here 75, so 75 plus 75, we will not get 180 degree. We will not get 180 degree. Again, here we are not getting, the property is not satisfied. So these both lines are not parallel. There is another way also of solving it. Next is, second method is, if you know this angle is given 75 degree. Okay, these both are vertically opposite angle. So ये 75 है means ये भी 75 हो जाएगा, right? So this angle will also be 75 degree. Now this angle and this angle, again they are interior angle and they are lying on the same side of transversal. So again इसका जो total होगा, that is supplementary. So that should be 180 degree. So this way also you can check. So if you add 75 plus 75, 75 plus 75, the answer is 150. We are not getting 180 degrees. So again, satisfaction of the property is not there. Property is not satisfied. So again, you will write the statement that L is not parallel to M because some of the angles does not obey the property of parallel lines. So this is also not parallel and this is also not parallel. And these are the reasons. So we have to check with the help of property. Property satisfaction is needed. So this was first and second part of question number 6. Now this third and fourth figure, this third one is given to us and fourth one is given to us. These two you will try yourself. So this is your homework, and if there is any doubt, just let me know. This you will do yourself. This also you can use property. Orally we will discuss it. This is given 57 degree. Okay, so this also will be 57 degree. Again with the help of same reason, ये 57 है, so ये दोनों vertically opposite angle. These both are vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are always equal. So this is 57 means this is also 57. Okay, so if you write here 57, then again these and this, they are interior angle and they are again on the same side of transversal. So again the total should be 180. So add 123 plus 57. If the answer is 180, then these both are parallel. If the answer is not 180, then these both are not parallel. So third one and fourth one you will try yourself. Okay, so this is your homework.